Hello guys, I'm gonna talk a bit about Dijkstras algorithm. So I'm just gonna show it on 3 examples. Yeah. So I'm gonna start with this one. The first thing to do in Dijkstras algorithm is we wanna choose like a place to start. Which vertex do we find? So what Dijkstras algorithm does is it takes one point and we find the distance from this point to all the other points. And we do that in an actually pretty amazing time. We do it in v log v plus e time. So e is asymptotically bound by v squared. So the amount of edges is bound by the vertices squared. So the largest thing often is the edges, and well, Dijkstras algorithm is linear in the amount of edges, and that's pretty cool. So it's amazing algorithm actually. So what we do is we choose A and we want to find the distance from A to all of these others, the smallest distance that is to all the other vertices. So we start at A, and well, we get to A by 0, and well, we want to update the 2 other vertices we can get from A. So we can get to G from and use 1 for the weighting 1, and we get to Q by 31, right? Okay, so now we're going to look at the next, or the vertex with the lowest weight, and that's the G vertex. So I'm just going to mark G now. So from G we can get to L, E, and Q. So this means we can go this way, and we can write 22. We can go over here and write 4. So 4. And we can go down here, and we can actually improve. We can do it by 28. Okay, so now the new lowest would be our E, the 4. From E we can go to J, I, and P. So if we go to J, we can do that's 4, that's 18. And if we go to I, we can do, that's 15. And if we go to P, we can do 19. Good. So that's from E. Now we're done with that one. Okay. I'm just gonna mark the places we have looked. Okay, the next smallest one is 22. No, it's actually 15. Yeah, so we're standing at I. We can now move to N, M, and D. So if we move down here, we get 25. And if we move this way, we get 37, right? Yeah. 37. If we move up here, we get 17. Okay, so the new lowest must be 17, right? Yeah. So from N we can only go down to M, but actually we can improve the 37. So we go this way and we get 32. Okay, so the new lowest has been here. That's 32, no, 25. That must be 18, right? Okay, from 18 we can go to B, N, and I. So we can have 16. Well, that's not going to improve the 15 we already had. And we can go to N, and we'll get, well, we get more than 17. And well, if we go up here, we will definitely improve infinity. So we're going to get 29. Yeah, I'm going that way. Okay. So now we've been in J. Have we been in? So the next smallest one is going to be P, I guess. Yeah. so 19. So we can go to I and we can go to D, but we're not going to improve I. That's 15, and we're not going to improve this one either, so we're just going to move on. So 19, that's 22 is our next bet. So we can go down here. We're not going to improve 4, we're not going to improve 18. 22 itself is better, and we have no negative weight. So if we go this way, we will erase infinity, go to 30. So about infinity, in Dijkstras algorithm, it doesn't work if there's negative weights. So Dijkstras algorithm doesn't work if we have any negative weights. I should have said that at the start. Okay, so we go up here, get 30, we can improve any more, so we're done with L. Now we have 25 is our new lowest. From 25 we can go up here, that's 28, so we're actually going to improve this one. 28, and we're going to go this way, that's 31. Yeah, and then we're done with 25. What's the next? 28. Well, we're not going to improve here, we're not going to improve there, so let's just not do anything about that. So, oh yeah, over here we got 28 now, right? So we can go down here, but 32 is bigger, so we can't improve anything, so that's also done. We can so 29 is the next one. Well, we can't improve 17, so that's also done. 13, we can't improve this one, but we can definitely improve infinity. So we're going to go up here, we're going to get 54. Okay. Okay, so now I didn't use a lot of colors. That might have been the easiest thing to do. So I don't have the direct path for these. It's not obvious what the path is at least. But, so we can backtrack it and we can figure it out. So we have to get to G by 1. Well, this must be the way we have to go. And we had to get down here and get 28. So we had to go this way. We had to get over here to get 4. It must be that way. We had to get 22. We had to get 30. We had to get 55. Okay, so from E we had to get 19. We go that way. We have to get 15 this way, and we have to get 18. Well, that's going to be this way and this way. And we had to go from so we have to get 25 down here, all this way, and we have to get 28 over here, it's going to be this way, and we had to get 17, it's going to be this way. Yeah, and we got to make 31. Okay, so yeah, we also get like a new tree. Sometimes it's good to do, and some hand-ins might want you to state this. So you might do it in, might recolor it during, or you could do it afterwards, whatever you prefer really. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to the next. Okay, so we'll do Dijkstras algorithm, just 2 more examples, and that's gonna be it. Okay, so we like before, we choose the choose all paths from A, so we choose this one and we can make this a 1. We choose this path and we make this one a 6, and we choose this path, make it a 2, and 5, sorry. We choose this path and make it a 2. Okay, so now we choose the smallest, the vertex with the smallest path, so this is J. So from J we can get to H, make this a 4, and we can get to L and make that a 2 instead. So that's improvement. Yeah, then we're done in J. Now we can go to I, that's a 2. From I we can get to M, and we can do that by making 9. That's I. Now we get to L. From L we can get to F and make it a 7 as an improvement from infinity. And we can go to G. So we went that way. we went this way. So we're at 2 and we take 2 more, it's 4, so that's improvement over 5. Yeah, and then we're done with L. Go look at G, that's a 4. So we can't improve I, that's 5. 5 isn't better than 2, but we can improve infinity over here to 5. And then we're done with G. Okay, so the next lowest is 4. We can go over here and make it 5, and that's it. We can't go anywhere else from H. Okay, so from 5, what can we do? We can't improve 7, that's 9 isn't better than 7, but we can improve infinity, that's 50. And the next one, that's 7. Oh no, 5 is our next lowest, yeah, right. So we'll go over here to 5, and we can improve infinity, that's 12. And we can improve infinity again, that's 11. We're done with K. Okay, now we go to 7. 7 and 8, that makes more than 11, so that's no improvement. And 7 is greater than 4, so that's also no improvement. 9 is greater than 5, so we can't improve that, but we can improve infinity. Oh, sorry. We can improve infinity to 14. Yeah, and then we're going to look at the new lowest, so that's going to be 11. Okay, from 11 we can go over here, we can improve infinity to 15. That's an improvement, right? There you go. We can actually improve here, so 11 and 3 it's 14, it's better than 15, it's an improvement. So we take the next lowest, that's 12, right? Yeah. So we can improve infinity to 14, and that's it. And we go to we got another 14, so let's just take this one. So this makes 16, and well, this is no improvement, so we're done. And let's see, 14 and 8, that makes 22. Well, this is no, okay, and then we look at 14, well, nothing leads out of this, so we can't improve that. So 15 is the lowest, well, 15 and 1, so that we can't improve this one, and, well, we can't improve, and no, we can't improve. So that's the final one. Again, we want to do our tree thingy, so, well, to get 1 we had to go this way, right? To get 2 we had to go that way. To get 4 we had to go this way again. And to get 2 we had to go that way. And to get 9 this way. Oh, we forgot drawing 1 there. And this way to get 22, okay. To get 4 that way, that way, that way. 5, oh, and also we have to go that way, to get, this could be that way, and to get 14, it's going to be this way, to get 16 that way, and this way, to get 14, yeah, 11, 3, yeah. Okay, and then finally we go from there. Okay, should be right. Okay, let's go for the. Okay, so 0 is our lowest vertex. We have 1 path away from 0, and we can indeed improve infinity till 2. So we're gonna go that way. Okay, so our new lowest is 2, and we're gonna see we can improve infinity 3 times. Yeah. So we're gonna improve all these infinities. We're going to make 7, and we're going to make 11, and we're going to make 13. Okay, so the new lowest is 7, and we can indeed improve. We can improve 11 by 1. So we're going to do that. We'll make it to 10, and then we can we can't improve 0. That's impossible, but we can improve infinity up here till 13. And then we can improve more from this point. So the new lowest is going to be 10, and from 10 we can go to I, we can improve 13 till 12, and we can improve infinity till oh sorry, so that's actually 11. So we had 10 and we want 11 here. We can improve infinity over here to 12, and we can improve 13 till 12 also actually. Yeah. Good. So the new lowest is going to be 11. Yeah. And from 11 we can go to well, we can only go to j, and we're going to make it a 16, so we can't actually improve anything. But from the point of j we can okay, so the new lowest is going to be either c or j. We're just going to start with say j. So from this point we can go to q, we can go to m. They're both infinity, so we're sure we're going to improve them. We're going to make it 17, we're going to make it 13. So the new lowest is going to be 12 down here. We're going to follow the only thing we can, beat infinity by 19, and well, it's kind of what we could do from this point. So we look at the new lowest, and that's 13. Well, we can improve 17 to 50, and we can improve infinity to 16, and we can yeah, that's about it actually. So we can't do any more from this point of view now. So the new lowest is 15, but we can't really improve 11 by 15, that's impossible, so we're just gonna be done with that. So the new level lowest is 16. Okay, from 16 we can definitely improve infinity till 18, and well, this gives us the new lowest is 18, and we can then improve infinity over here till 21, right? Yeah, but so this makes a circle, so we can't improve n again, so it's just going to be done there. And we're going to look at the new lowest. Well, that's going to be 19. From 19 we can go to g, make infinity till 27, I guess, yeah, and we can make infinity till 22. Okay, so the new lowest is 22. From 22 we can go to L, but we can't improve 18. We can go to K, we can definitely improve this. So it's going to be 24. And we can go to G, and that's going to be 26. So that's an improvement. 26, and we can go. So that makes the new lowest 24, and then we finally improve this to 25. It's going to be the last improvement, and that's for G. And then we improved K, and then we see the last vertice, that's G with 25, and we can improve. Well, we could go a lot of places, but they all have values lesser than 20, 25. So yeah, that concludes. So we can now look. Well, which tree do we get out of it? So we have to get to there. We can get to 7. That was going to be over there. So oh yeah, we had to get 10 over here. That's going to be this way. And well, we had to get 12. Well, we choose either of these actually. Let's just choose this one. So we have 10 here, right? And we have, oh no, actually we have to choose this one, yeah, to get the 12. Yeah, sorry. And then we have to get well, it's just this way. We have to make from 12 to 19. That's 7. That's good. And then we have to make 22, so we go this way, and we had to make, so we had to make 25. We can't do that by going this way, so we make we can't make 25 going that way either, so we take this way and we make 24. We could do that, or we can go this way and make the 25. Okay, so from 10 we can make 11 going this way, and we can make 12 going that way. We can make we can't make 17, or we can't make 15 going this way, so we're going to go this way instead. We're going to make 13, and we're going to make 15, yeah? And then we're going to make 16 by going this way, yeah? We're going to make 18 and 21, yeah? So this concludes what I wanted to share about Dijkstras algorithm. I hope you learned the basis of it. Thanks for watching.